Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pentagon pattern which is titled Celestial Cluster. It's a small yet pretty pattern. Without much delay, let us go into the video and learn how to crochet this. Chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring, and into the ring place 10 single crochets. Chain 1, this does not count as a stitch. Place 10 single crochets. I shall complete and get back. So I shall place 10 single crochets and get back. Slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain 1, it does not count as a stitch. Make a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3, skip 1 single crochet in the next. So repeat chain 3 single crochet, chain 3 4 more times. Totally we will have 5 single crochets and 5 chain 3 spaces. Complete it and get back. Now chain 3, this is the last. Slip stitch to the first single crochet that we did. Now chain 1, place a single crochet, 2 double crochets, after placing single crochet, make a half double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, a single crochet. Now chain 1 and go over to the next chain 3 space. There again 1 single, 1 half double, 1 double, chain 2, double, half double, 1 single. So continue the stitch pattern all around and complete. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the chain 1 space that you began with. And chain 4. Chain 4 counts as 1 double crochet and chain 1 space. And into the chain 2 space, place 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, place a double crochet in the chain 1 space between these two shells here. So continue placing the stitch repeat all around. I shall complete the last 3 DC, chain 2, 3 DC and get back to you. We have come to the end of the round here. I have placed my last 3 DCs, chain 1 and slip stitch to the third chain of the 4 chains that we did to begin with. Here we go. Again start with chain 4. It counts as 1 DC and chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and place a double crochet in the same stitch here. Chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet in the chain 2 space. So again chain 3, one double crochet on double crochet. Sorry, not one double crochet, it's a V stitch. Double crochet, we did a V stitch here. See, forgetful. Chain 1 and a double crochet. This is the V stitch we do in every DC of the previous round. And in every chain 2 space we place one single crochet, chain 3 and one single crochet. So this is a stitch repeat all around, complete it and get back. So I have completed the stitches and I slip stitch to the third chain of the 4 chains that we did in the beginning, and I shall fasten it off. Here we complete the celestial cluster motif. So it's a small yet beautiful motif. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you will be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.